folks, today we're going to be showing you the 273 rear lounge by Heritage Glen Forest River product. So the beginning, this is a LTZ version, so you get the nice front gel cap on this one, the really big tanks, power tongue jack, and if you come over here, this trailer weighs about 8,000, a little over 8,000 pounds dry. If you look in here, this is all your storage for under the belly. You can see the aluminum frame right there. This also has, of course, your solar charger on the side, and you have power stabilizers on here. Not auto, but they are power, so you don't have to crank it down. This one has the solid step, outside kitchen, and this one has two slides. Let me show you. Big power awning that covers this whole section. Come over here. So now, if you're looking for a trailer that has the room and the feel of a fifth wheel, this is it. You get this big couch right here. That's also a trifold bed that'll come all the way out to here, okay? You have the two awesome recliners right here that you can kick back in, pull this, and you're entertaining yourself. Windows on each side, cup holders, middle section for storing your snacks and charging station inside there. You got your entertainment. You have your Jensen DVD player, Bluetooth, and you have your nice Jensen television. And check this out. You have a dinette with storage under here, okay, on each side. Then you have this little nook right here where you can put all kinds of stuff here, dishes or whatever. More storage, okay? Then you have this island right here. People love this island with the barn sink, domestic faucet. And then you have all this counter space right here with the microwave and your oven and the big fridge right here. Tons of room in there. Come over here. Check this bathroom out. Look how big the shower is. And you have storage right here for towels and stuff like that. This is an awesome trailer. You will love it. It's lightweight, has the arch roof. Then you come in here, more tons of storage, and you notice it has the AC in here. So that is awesome. Trust me. Storage under the bed. You do have this door right here that has a little closet right here for a hanging closet. A lot of trailers don't have that, okay? And then you have, of course, your other hanging closet. So this trailer, for a 23-foot trailer, a little bit over 23, you have hanging spot right here for your coats. Come on outside. A spot to hang a TV if you're tailgating and into all that kind of stuff. You have your outside kitchen, your other stabilizer right here, and the barbecue grill is already connected. Swing that arm around, latch it in. It's away from the trailer. Spare tire. Come around here. This is on the rack and pinion. So this slide is on the rack and pinion. So those two metal rods go all the way through the frame of this trailer. So you don't have to worry about this sagging on you. Come over here. All your drains and everything are right here. Your City Connect, fresh water, black tank, all that's right there. So folks, my name again is Anthony Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. That's Anthony Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you.